Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadget Sasa. Today we are diving into a question that has been buzzing around the tech community. Is the Samsung Galaxy A51 still worth it in 2025? Whether you are holding onto this phone or thinking about grabbing a used one, I've got all the answers for you. Let's find out if this mid-range champion from 2020 can still keep up with today's demands. First, a quick trip down memory lane. The Galaxy A51 launched in late 2019 with these key specs: a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display with full HD, Exynos 9611 chipset with an option of 4GB, 6GB, 8GB RAM and up to 128GB of storage. It also came with a quad-core camera setup, 48 megapixel main, 12 megapixel ultra-wide, 5 megapixel macro and 5 megapixel depth sensor. It also had a 4000 milliampere battery with 15 watts fast charging. For its time, this phone offered excellent value. But can it handle 2025's apps, games, and updates? Let's break it down. On to performance and software. Okay. Let's talk performance. The Exynos 9611 wasn't exactly a powerhouse even in 2020. In 2025, it struggles with demanding apps and games. Don't expect battery smooth gameplay. It's gameplay in titles like Genshin, in titles like Call of Duty Mobile. For everyday tasks like browsing, social media, and video streaming, it's still serviceable, but there is noticeable lag when multitasking or switching between apps. And here is the kicker. The A51 stopped receiving major Android updates in 2023. If you're okay with Android 13 and missing out on new features or security patches, you might be fine. But keep in mind, outdated software can leave you vulnerable to security risks. Now, on to the display and build quality. One area where the A51 still shines, literally, is its display. The 6.5-inch Super AMOLED panel is gorgeous, bright, vibrant, and sharp. Samsung really nailed it here. It's perfect for Netflix, YouTube, or casual browsing. The build, though, plastic might feel a bit dated in 2025. If you are used to premium glass or metal designs, this might feel a little underwhelming. On to camera performance. Cameras have come a long way since 2020, but the A51's quad camera setup still holds its own in good lighting. The 48 main shooter produces decent shots, but low light performance is its Achilles heel. The ultra-wide and macro lenses, for fun to use, but don't expect flagship level quality. On to battery life. And charging. The 4000 milliampere battery was decent back in the day, but in 2025 it's starting to show its age. You will get a day of light use, but heavy users might find themselves reaching for the charger by late afternoon. And with only 15 watts charging, patience is key. So what is my opinion on this? Like, is the Samsung Galaxy A51 still worth it in 2025? Well, if you're looking for a basic, affordable phone for light use, it's a decent choice, especially if you can find one for under 20,000 Kenya shillings, or let's say below $150. But for gamers, power users, or anyone who values software updates and longevity, I recommend looking for newer budget options. Some of the options I would recommend within this budget range are phones like Galaxy A14. You can go for the Xiaomi Poco X5, or even pick a Pixel 6a. But if you love Samsung phones and you don't want any other brand, you can go for A54 or A55. You'll get improved camera, you'll get better software, and better phone overall. Well, that's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech content, and drop a comment below. By the way, are you still rocking a Galaxy A51, or are you ready for an upgrade? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.